Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Hope you're fine anywhere you are. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to cut a bishop sleeve. How to cut a bishop sleeve. I have my pattern paper here. It's going to have a little puff on the hand. As the cap side will have a puff, and there will be a puff too. It's going to be a normal sleeve. The length is going to be 22 inches. The length is 22 inches. This is 22 inches plus 2 inches allowance, or I can take like 20 inches plus 5 inches allowance. The width is going to be 17 inches. 17 inches. I'm going to mark it all around. 17 inches. Remember, the up will be puff. It will have a little puff on it. A bishop sleeve. So I'll come down by 6 inches. Then I'll connect it to this 6 inches. I'm going to notch the center. Then I'll cut it off. I'm going to pleat it, or I'm going to gather it. It's going to be 8 inches. This place will be 8 inches. I have to gather it to be 8 inches. So this is my midpoint. I'll start placing. I'll place it. So I'll finish placing it. Remember, it's a bishop hand. I'll finish placing it. If you don't want to place it, you can gather it, put the rope or make a thread on it, then draw it to yourself. It will be gathered. But I decided to pleat it. It has a little pleat on the shoulder here, so I pleated it this way too. This is where to attach to the main fabric. So I'm going to create a band. So this is the band. The band, I'm taking three. So this is the band. The band I have folded it into 2. Like 3 inches. So you fold the band like this, fold it this way, get the measurements here, then you place it inside this way. It can be 1 inch, it can be ½ inch. Place this one like this. I'm using pin to hold it. I'm holding 2 of them together. I finish attaching it. Cut out like this. Cut out this way. Then sew a 1/4 inch. Sew it to this place. Turn it this way. Sew like this. Sew from here to this edge. It's assumed that I've sewn it. I'm just using pin to hold it. So just watch carefully. It's a bishop sleeve. Yeah, so I'm going to launch it this way. Let the pin not give me wound in my hand. As you can see, this is how it looks like. A 4 bishop sleeve. It's so beautiful in my hand. So if you don't want it this way, see how it looks like. So fine. If you don't want it this way, if you don't want to use the band, remove the band. I'm removing the pin now. Place it this way. Turn it this other way around. Use elastic. Cut the size of this elastic. Assuming this elastic, sew the elastic this way. Sew it. Then before you sew the elastic, you have to cut this into 2. You have to cut the lining the same size of it. Then the same pleating. You pleat it the same way as you pleated the front side of it. Assuming it's the front, pleat it the same way. Then place it. After placing the elastic this way, put the lining from here. Then turn it and sew it. Drag it and run. Close it up. So it's going to be like this. all these pleats will be puffy here. It will really come out very well. It will be puffy. That is the one with the elastic. Then you attach it. So just choose the one you want. Rock it out this Easter Sunday. You can post it. Let us look at it. So I have come to the end of it. Like this side, you have to attach it. Attach it to the sleeve side like this. Attach it this way. So I've come to the end of it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep watching my video and keep subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye.